Love drones but not ready to fly? Become the eyes in the sky as a certified visual observer, enhance safety, maintain compliance, and improve operational efficiency with dedicated training. Pilots rely on trained observers to scan airspace, spot aerial and ground hazards, and help maintain FAA compliance during every operation. Our course builds the knowledge and skills to protect people, property, and mission resources, reducing risk while boosting efficiency and ROI. Open to anyone 16 and older, this certification empowers individuals and organizations to operate drones safely, confidently, and profitably. Become a certified visual observer. Let WEG Ground School train you. Enroll now at weg.llc